Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Amber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is finally the day. Okay, I know you guys been waiting. I've been waiting till this day because I'm going to show you guys my apartment, my new apartment. So I'm currently standing at the front door, and the thing is about this apartment, guys. Okay, quick little disclaimer because I need to say something real quick. Let me close this door for a second. There's like a bus stop in front of our house. All the people standing there, and they were looking at me like, what the fuck? I really want to do an empty house tour, but by the time we received our keys, our moving truck was already here. And I was like, really? Bruh. I didn't even have the chance to do an empty house tour because they were starting to unload the truck real quick. So I was like, whoa, wait a minute. I'm not ready for this. The thing about this house, it's nowhere near done. Okay, there's still a lot of stuff that needs to change. There's still a lot of painting that needs to happen, and it happens in August. So there are still going to be a lot of changes, and I still need to decorate the fuck out of this house, man, because this is so huge. Okay, you know, I keep saying house because it's actually a ground floor apartment with a big backyard and a big front yard, and it's like the size of a house. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that there's stuff laying around here. It's still a little bit messy. It's not like all the way like perfect yet. Sometimes you see those house tours on YouTube and they're like, no, so perfect and candles and this. No, that's not this type of house tour. Okay, you gonna get what you see. Okay, let me show you guys real quick a little bit of the front yard because it's just so clean. So this is where you enter. I'm going to show you guys like the street and all just for privacy reasons, but hey, look, this is the front yard, guys. Okay, don't even ask me what. As I said, real life situations. This is an empty space in the hallway. Let me show you guys real quick the hallway. All my shoes. So here are the shoes. Oh my god, I really don't know how to do this house tour thing. Like, I'm so bad at it. Sorry if I suck. So here's just a little toilet, just a guest toilet. Yeah, so yeah, I'm definitely going to change the mirror because the mirror is kind of old, I think. Ooh, yeah, hey, what's up, guys? Okay, I'm not going to pose in the toilet. Like, I want to change this whole toilet area. I want to make it like a real nice area for the guests, okay? Because as I said, there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be changed, but that will happen over time. You know, we just moved in, seriously, guys. Like, okay, so this is like hallway number 1, and now I'm entering hallway number 2, I guess, because this is so huge. Okay, let me go to the left, no, the right, sorry. I'm so bad in coordinations. Okay, this is the first bedroom, but this is a man cave, okay? Oops. So Jeffrey, my boyfriend, he really wanted to have a man cave thing. So this is actually the man cave. This is basically the size of our previous living room from our previous apartment. Guys, this is his man cave. If you have been watching my vlogs, you know this setup, okay? Because this was our old living room setup. You know, we got the couch and the soft pillows. And he wants to put a beamer up here so he can have a screen action thing going on right here, where he can play his PlayStation with his friends and all and just listen to music, blah, blah, blah. You know, just man cave stuff. I don't know what they do in the man cave, to be honest. So yeah. Now, the next room right here, guys, is the bathroom. The bathroom is literally one of my favorite places in this house, guys, especially the shower. Okay, we have a really nice walk-in shower. It's huge. So then here is a sink, a his and hers sink with some nice mirrors. Okay, I definitely need to fix that light. Okay, this is actually my space, my little space. This is his space. We like to keep things minimal and clean, as you guys can see. You know, I store all my stuff in here. Here, this is my skincare cabinet or whatever. But I'll definitely do a video about all my skincare stuff, okay? So yeah, this is just the bathroom, really nice. I really like this bathroom. And now we're going to the next room. Okay, so let me tell you guys real quick, up there, that door is a huge laundry room, but I'm not going there because it's stacked with boxes. If you want to see the laundry room, wait for the updated video of this video, okay? So here's just an extra storage room, an extra closet for all our coats. Okay, so now this room is the second bedroom. Oh yeah, there are actually 3 bedrooms in this place, but we actually only use one room as a bedroom, our room. The other bedroom is a man cave that you guys just saw, and the other room is my office. But wait, okay, so this is our bedroom for now. Ooh. Okay, let me walk in our bedroom. We have a nice view on our garden. Yes, sis. Okay, first of all, let me tell you something real quick about this weird ass painting. This gotta go, okay? You know, the previous owner, you know, she was kind of hippie, you know, art, whatever. I don't know what she did, but she painted this and she didn't repaint this. So when we arrived here in this room, we were like, oh hell nah, oh hell nah. You know, Africans, you know, if you're African, you know this is not even going to happen, okay? Because this looks like some kind of voodoo shit going on in the bedroom, witchcraft type of stuff, and I'm not down. My boyfriend, he was like, hell nah. So this is his closet. Don't even look at it. I'm not even going to show it because it's all messed up. He still needs to sort everything, but this is my closet, okay? As you guys can see, I'm nowhere near done with this. I still need to sort and unpack a lot of stuff, but yeah. So this is the closet, the bed. Yeah, you guys know how a bedroom looks like, okay? Nothing special. We just sleep in here and stuff, you know what's up. No, just kidding. No, actually I'm not. I actually really like these bed sheets. These are actually from Primark, and these were only like, I don't know, 20 euros or not even 20 euros. Like, this is really cute, okay? Okay, so next up is this little storage room right here. I'm not even like, okay, I'm just going to show you guys real quick. This is just a little room with extra brooms, buckets, you know, just cleaning stuff. But I'm just actually going to put like a real nice cabinet over here so I can, you know, arrange everything properly and all my cleaning products, because it's just actually a mess in here. This is the third bedroom, guys, and this is my office, and I'm not going inside today because you will have to watch my next video about how, you know, I set up everything in my office. Let me maybe like give you guys a real quick sneak peek for the video that's about to come. You guys will see in my next video how I'm going to set up everything. It's a mess, I know, but that's how moving is, girl. It ain't perfect, okay? So this is actually something that I really like. If someone calls, I can see them on the screen. I already had this in my previous apartment, but this is like, I don't know, a ground floor apartment. I can sit in the living room and be so lazy as fuck and watch through the screen who it is, instead of like going through the door up in here. So yeah, okay, let us go to the living room, the living area right now. Okay, this is a double door, but I closed one right now, and this is the huge living room, guys. I am in love. Okay, let me start with the part that, you know, doesn't have any purpose. We don't know yet. It's this really big space. Let me walk. I basically have to walk 30 minutes to get to the other side of the house. You see how huge this is? We maybe want to put some gym stuff over there because Jeffrey likes to work out at home. So maybe just some, you know, gym stuff, and maybe like a little desk in here so I can also work up in here. Like, that would be nice, okay? But let me give you guys now an overview of the living room. Okay, so this is our new couch. Way bigger compared to the one that you saw in the man cave. The reason why I love this couch because this has like this little drink station and then this little compartment for blankets, pillows, or whatever. I really like this. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, see how big this kitchen is. These countertops are black marble, which is amazing, really easy to clean. Yeah, this is a special setup. I get like these cream colored cabinets with black marble. I don't know, I really like this. The only thing that I don't really like that much about this kitchen is that it doesn't have a lot of space, storage space. As you guys can see, these are the only cabinets that were here, so it's like we had to buy some extra storage cabinets. So yeah, definitely a nice kitchen. I've been cooking in here and it's been amazing. Okay, cooking in here is very enjoyable. Here you can see a very nice overview of how big this space is. I love how spacious everything is, and there's a lot of lights. You know, the dining table underneath the lamp is just perfect. I love an open kitchen. Okay, I love that. I wish there was like a kitchen island, but that's okay though. Like, I'm not going to, you know, be all picky and stuff. The reason why we picked this was because of this open space and the kitchen, and you know, the nice large living room area and the nice garden. So here is just some extra storage room that we bought from IKEA. Here, another one for glasses, you know, all the wine glasses and stuff, and some plates and bowls. And now up to the garden, which I'm not going to show you guys a lot because that's like for my updated house tour. But yeah, there's a lot of work that needs to be done in the garden. They're putting up fences, they are redoing the garden, they are redoing the grass and all. So yeah, just gonna show you guys real quick, like a little bit of my patio. Okay, laundry that I'm just drying right now. I'm not going to show you guys too much. Let me go outside. I love the fact that these windows go like all the way open. You see this one too. This one goes all the way open if I want. So yeah, which is really nice. We're definitely going to do a lot of barbecues in here, because you know it's summertime, you know what's up. So yeah guys, that was basically it. Yeah, that was it. I'm going to put up a lot of plants in here because I love me some like nice little plants. I love I love the bohemian vibe, but still modern and minimalistic, all white everything, and sometimes a little pop of color. You know, that's what I am, all over the place. Oh, look who wants to say hi. Hi. Say hi. Aww. Aww, he's so cute. Yeah, but I'll definitely update you guys on everything. And you know, by the way, all the furniture that you see, literally everything that you see in this house is from IKEA. Everything, I'm telling you, everything except for this couch and the man cave couch. Okay, all the rest that you guys see is from IKEA. Everything. So if you want to know something, IKEA, that's what's up. IKEA is the spot. Okay, so yeah, I've been a little MIA, and that's why it's this house, you know, it's a lot of work. But you know, I'm ready to put out videos again. Like, oh my god, I've been waiting so long. It's been such a busy period, guys, but I'm finally settled for a while and everything's like okay. So yeah guys, this is where I'm going to be at for the next couple of years. No, not years, because ultimately I want to buy a house. I'm renting this place. Me and Jeffrey are renting this. But yeah, this is where we're going to be at for like maybe the next 2 years or something like that. So yeah, I really enjoy this place. I hope you like this place too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I Appreciate it, guys. I love you guys so much. You guys know that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.